Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a DeepSeek free API key step by step. If you're looking to integrate DeepSeek AI into your project but don't know where to start, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you will have your free API key ready to use. So let's get started. DeepSeek is an AI-powered service that provides access to advanced natural language processing NPL models, whether you are like developers, researcher, or just curious about AI. Um, Having an API key is essential for accessing DeepSeek services. For accessing DeepSeek, you can go search to Open Router, click on that, uh, search for Open Router, and you have to sign in. I will signing up with my Google account. Click on sign up. After setting your account, so we are on the Open Router interface. So if you don't know about Open Router, what is Open Router? Open Router provides free APIs or LLMs for free of cost. So you can use this for anything if you want any APIs for free. To get DeepSeek free R1 free API key, you have to search DeepSeek in the search bar. You can scroll. Here we go. DeepSeek R1 key free. So if you uh, see this page, click on the API. Now here you can say API for R1 free. Open router normalize request and response across providers for you. You can create API key by creating your uh, by clicking a create API key. Now if you scroll down, you will get to see this the whole article showing that how you can integrate this API key into your projects. Right now I don't have any kind of project that I will show you, but you can use this API key uh, of by importing in your project. You can see you can use Python also, you can TypeScript, you can curl, whatever you want, whatever best suit for you, you can use that. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and thanks for watching.